What are you doing? Woo! Hey, stop! Stop! Good job. Hey, you could have just stopped up there. What were you so scared for? You just seen the rocks? Yeah. Do it again. You can do it again. Hey, just don't go up over that hill right there. That's the highway, okay? Okay. I'm gonna watch you again. Shut it off. Pick it up. What are you doing? Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. You're good.
I'm not doing this over again.
Why? That was good. You're fine. You're fine. All you gotta do is hit the brakes, buddy.
I tried.
It's okay. There's nothing wrong.
Gear.
It's okay. Then you look. What you do? Look. You're still in gear. All you had to do was downshift and then hit the brake. It was still moving forward, wasn't it? Yeah. It's okay. You're fine. The bike's fine, buddy. I'm right here. You're all good. We'll start it here in a second. See? Come on. I'm not riding this back. This is your bike, not mine. I'll turn it around for you, though. That makes you feel comfortable. Start it. Hold the brake. The front brake right here. This is a brake, too.
Oh.
Hold that. Now, what are you doing? All right, look, you don't have to rev it that high. It's doing pretty good. Okay. We need to go back to camp and fix that, okay? So, I'll meet you there.